Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the GTA 5 Enhanced not eligible for migration. The first thing you need to check is your account eligibility. Make sure your Rockstar Social Club account is linked correctly. Also, check that your account hasn't been banned or suspended previously, as this can cause issues with the game and migration. Next, you need to ensure that you have sufficient progress in GTA Online, as sometimes insufficient progress can block migration. Also, make sure you have installed and activated the enhanced version of GTA 5 on your platform, and check the status of Rockstar servers to make sure they are online. Another thing you can try is restarting the game and your console or PC, and then try the migration process again. If nothing works, it's best to reach out to Rockstar support by submitting a ticket for further assistance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.